Looking to upgrade your gaming rig without spending over $350? Here are the top 5 gaming GPUs you can get in May 2025. First up, the Intel Arc B580. It packs 12 gigabytes of VRAM and supports XeSS upscaling, making it a great pick for smooth 1440p gaming, all for under $250. Second, the NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti. With DLSS 3 and ray tracing, this card is a beast at 1080p ultra settings, and it runs around $299. Third, the AMD Radeon RX 7600. Built on RDNA 3, it crushes 1080p gaming with Fidelity FX super resolution for sharper visuals and smoother frames. Fourth, the NVIDIA RTX 3050. This one's perfect for budget-conscious gamers. You still get ray tracing and DLSS, all for just over $200. And fifth, the RTX 5060 Ti. It's the newest in the lineup, featuring GDDR7 memory and DLSS 4 support. This is future-ready performance for under $300. Want links to all 5 cards? Head to thebuybeacon.com and get the full breakdown.